Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. My name is Nur Atira Shazwani binti Muhammad Fazli, 273836. Reka University Resources are known as the Reno Design Studio, started in 2018 with the original name Lightscape Trading for about 3 years before changing it to a new brand called Reka University Resources due to COVID-19. The company is located in Mergong, Alostar. The main business activities are printing, photocopy, binding, and graphic design for the people in Alostar. This company also conducts business online. The sale order processing system is chosen as the focus on the business case study. The process and method of the business entity in recording the data and information related to the sales order are studied and analyzed. As there were many hindrances, we conducted the interview with the companies on virtually through WhatsApp for information collection purposes. Next, I'm going to talk about business transaction process. So this company, Reka University Resources, had used merchant system or system Niaga. So firstly, the customers who come to the store to get the service need to tell the type of services they need. And then when the sales clerk receives the customer order that specifies the types and quantities, she will put it on the system and then the system will generate the receipt and standard sales order and release copies of the sales order. Once the order is ready, customers need to make a cash payment before their order is picked up. So upon completion of the payment, the customer will receive a receipt and the sales transactions are recorded in the merchant system or system Niaga. So after preparing the sales order, including the printing order, it will be sent to the printing department and the activities of printing customers' order will be annotated to the printing order release before send it to the shipping department. So from this software, we managed to know how the business records its sales order and it is used in managing their business in efficient way.
A very good day to Dr. Nohaiza. I'm Mosha Sharon, number matrix 289429. I'm going to present about the table of entities and their activities. The first entity will be the customer. Their activity is the customer will pick the type of services provided by the business and also give the printing materials to the employee. The next will be the sales clerk. The sales clerks are the one who receives the customer order, transforms the order into standard sales order, and also release 3 copies of sales orders. Next will be the printing department. The printing department will receive the printing order from the customers, prepare the customer's order before sending it to the shipping department, and followed by the shipping department will reconcile the items on the packing slip and the slipping notice to verify the correctness of the order. Other than that, the shipping department will also packages the printing order and attaches packing slip into the container and completes the shipping notice and prepares a bill of lading. Followed by the customer will receive the printing order from the shipping department. And lastly will be the billing department. They will enter the data from sales invoice and shipping notice into a merchant system and also record data into sales order file and perform update procedures to the inventory master file and generate ledger files. Billing department will also send sale invoice to customers and report to the management, keeping all the documents related to the bill department. Next will be the context diagram. The activities earlier are now in this context diagram. When a customer places orders, the order details are sent to the sales processing system. And that sales processing system will send an acknowledgement to the customer and also the invoice. After it goes through the printing department, shipping department, they will send the shipping notification to the courier and also sends the management information to the management team.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saida Nabihah binti Muhammad Rafiq. My matric number is 273791. And now I will present about physical data flow diagram. A physical data flow diagram is a graphical representation of a system showing the system's internal and external entities, and the flows of data into and out of these entities. This physical data flow diagram shows that all the entities involved in sales order processing conducted at Reka Innovasi Resources. The advantages of using physical data flow diagram are we can see where the activities in the business are done, what types of activities each of the entities are doing, and lastly, the person in charge in each of department. Other than that, it shows controls for validating input data, for obtaining a record, for ensuring successful completion of a process, and for system security. For example, when a customer comes to the shop and place an order, we can see that the customer order is being processed through two different departments, which are packing and shipping department. Through packing department, Reka University Resources will prepare order picking list to the printing department, and after it is settled, the customer order will be sent to the shipping department. After shipping, the customer order will be sent to the customer along with the billing statement. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanim Hatini binti Azizan. My metric number is 272737. I will presenting about the logical data flow diagram, or known as DFD, for the payroll system of Reynolds Design Studio. So what is the logical DFD? Okay, the logical DFD describes the business event that take place and the data required for each of the event. It provides a solid basis of the physical DFD, which depicts on how the data system will work, such as hardware, software, paper files, and people involved in the system. Usually, the logical DFD have been used in various type of organization in around the world for a better and smooth running system in their business. This is because it helps to describe on how data move from one entity to another. Basically, the logical DFD will show the main process only. There are 6 main processes in the Reynolds Design Studio. The first one is receive order, which happens when the staff receive an order from the customer and will forward the customer order details to the next process, which is the cash register, to record the transaction that includes the cash receipt from the customer after the staff give the sales receipt to them. And the third process is the serve goods to the customer after finish preparing the goods based on the customer order. After that, the staff need to forward the cash received from the customer to the next process, which is by updating the ledger to ensure everything is well recorded in the system. The fifth process will be proceed by reconcile cash in hand with the sales record to ensure that no information is missed. Then the cash receipt will forward to the last process, which is prepare the deposit. A deposit slip is a small paper form that a bank customer includes when depositing funds into a bank account. That's all from me. I will pass the presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Fatihah binti Jaafar. My metric number is 287971. Today, I will present about document flowchart. For document flowchart, there are 5 departments that involved in this business, which are sales, printing, shipping, billing, and computer department. For sales order, we will look the flow from the customer, and sales clerk take the customer order, then prepare sales order and release the copies of it. The release copies are printing order, file copy, packing slip, shipping notice, invoice, ledger copy, customer copy, and original order. First, the printing order will be sent to the printing department to print the customer order and annotate the printing order. Then, the packing slip and shipping notice will be sent to the shipping department to reconcile, pack, and prepare the printing order, and shipping notice that will be sent to the billing department, while packing slip and bill of lading are sent to the courier. The invoice, printing order, and Shipping notice will be sent to the department and it will be recorded in the computer. Then the sales order file will be updated and print to the management report to send to the management, and the invoice will be sent to the customer. That's all from me. Thank you.